Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. I'm Carl, this is my wife Deb, and we're Crazy Good Adventures. Enjoy the trip. On this episode of Crazy Good Adventures, Deb and I decided to take a trip down to southeast Tennessee to the Cherokee National Forest to do a little exploring and chasing waterfalls. We've stayed at G Creek Campground before and we're pretty good at setting up camp, but now we've perfected our craft. Since we're here, let's go check out G Creek Falls.
So we're here. We're gonna go up to here.
No, 191 goes this way.
Oh, we're going this way.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just going right there.
Yeah.
That must be 190, that one.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going this way.
Yep. So after a little investigation, we found out there were mines here at G Creek back in the 1890s, and quartz and silica were mined here. The quartz and silica were used as flux for the copper smelters in the copper basin, and there's a concrete diverter for the washer that you can see along G Creek over by the falls. There's even remnants of an old mine buildings and stuff out here. Let's take a look. Some recently. Is that the creek right there? Yeah, there's the creek. It's some kind of foundation. There was a building there or something. Looks like this might be them. It definitely takes a tumble right here. Think that's the culvert? Oh, wow. Man, this is a pretty creek. Well, we made it back to camp. Decided it was time for some dinner. Now, we get asked a lot about what kind of meals we cook when we're camping, and we try to keep it simple when we can.
Little fry roasted tomatoes, a jambalaya stick, some water. Now it simmers for 25 minutes.
No meal is complete without a little garlic bread. I tell you what, it turned out real good though. After dinner, it's time to check out the river. This is about 20 yards from our tent, so really nice campground. And got to watch a little sunset, have a couple of adult beverages, and sit and chill a while. And that's the end of day one. Hey, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any more videos. For breakfast, we had a little egg and chorizo breakfast tacos with some avocado and feta and a little cup of coffee, getting ready for the day ahead. G Creek Campground is really a great little place. If you're ever in the area, check it out. It's well worth it. So, day two, we decided we'd take a trip out to Conasauga Falls, which is near Tellico Plains, Tennessee, and the Cherokee Skyway, which we'll probably hit a little bit later this afternoon.
I was telling you about.
Tellico Plains looks pretty interesting. I'll have to drive back through here later. So we weren't ready for the road to Conasauga Falls when we got to it. Sign says 3 miles, and when you turn off the highway, immediately you get a rough road sign. And that 3 miles is up a mountain on a single lane dirt road, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
After a while, there's a sign for the turnoff, the falls, and the trailhead is right at the parking lot. This is trail number 170. It's only a 1.5 mile round trip and is listed as an easy trail. Ooh, wow.
It's not that deep.
Huh. I don't know. Yeah, you can hear it. It's a nice little trail. Yep, what goes down has to come back up, huh? You're all right. You can definitely hear it now, huh? Baby, please be careful when you get here. Look how gorgeous this is, buddy.
Guess we gotta go over this tree.
You know, for two old folks, we still get around pretty good. Finally get down to the falls. Boy, was it worth it.
Now this is waterfall.
Well, we made our way back up and down that long, narrow road back to the highway. Time to do a little more investigating, though. Let's go back and check out this Tellico Plains and the Cherokee Skyway.
There's like an old road right there.
Is there?
So come to find out, Tellico Plains has a lot of history. Seems that people have been in this area of the Tellico River for thousands of years, and even though it's a little small town, only populated by about 768 people, it's absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, look at this place, man. Peach Street, Depot Street. Boy, ain't this a pretty little town, huh?
one of many awesome little towns you find in southeast Tennessee. But we want to go along the Tellico River. Let's go up to the Cherokee Skyway and see what we can see. So we stopped at the Indian Boundary Campground and check out the lake there and just look around. Yeah, this is bear country for sure. But I noticed there was, it looked like a wildfire and hadn't heard anything about it. So it was kind of smoky here. Even asked some of the locals if it was a controlled burn, but nobody knew for sure. But climbing the Cherokee Skyway, it's got some of the prettiest blue sky you'll ever see. This place is really nice and has some great overlooks.
We'll stop.
No. The lake's dried up.
Once we got to the top of the pass and got a good look at the overlook, that's definitely a wildfire burning. And after a little investigation, found out there are actually 7 wildfires burning in southeast Tennessee right now. But the view from this overlook is just incredible. Once we got to the top, we made our way back into Tellico Plains and ran across a Tennessee nuclear power plant. That's something I wasn't looking for.
68 north for 6 miles.
One of 4 original turbines installed at Mott's Bar Dam when it was constructed in the 40s.
So apparently there was a hydroelectric plant here at the dam before the nuclear plant. The dogwoods are in bloom right now. I tell you, it's hard on the sinuses. As you can tell by my voice in this video, I've been struggling with spring in Tennessee. But with views like this, you just gotta get out in it.
Well, there's a lot of locks and dams. Dang, it's pretty, huh?
Well, after a full day of exploring, it's time to head back to camp. Settle down and relax for a little while. Nothing like the sun setting over the mountains in the woods. It's such a quiet, peaceful time. Well, day 3 rolled around and it was time to break camp and head back home. But we decided there was a little more exploring to do.
He's in the Cherokee National Forest, baby. The river's just flowing now.
I tell you, this area of Tennessee is an outdoorsman paradise. This is the Hiwassee River, known for great fishing and a lot of good kayaking and canoeing too. So we ran across the little town of Reliance, Tennessee. Been around for a long time. And we came across a little country store. This place was awesome.
Pull in. It's the post office too.
Yeah.
Sitting right on the Hiwassee River, this place was opened in 1937 and is still run by the same family.
There's a saddle down there.
Huh?
There's a saddle down there.
A turtle?
Saddle.
Oh, saddle, yeah. Right next door is the Hiwassee Meeting Hall. This building's been there forever and used to be a church and everything else for the area.
So it's
5 foot, 4.5 foot.
wow, look at these under here.
Wow, that's just so cool.
Just stacked river rock.
Uh-huh.
Wow. So pretty.
It is, it's gorgeous.
Just floating against the current.
But our main focus today was a trip to Lowry Falls. This is trail number 168. It's only 0.4 of a mile to the falls, but they didn't tell you that it's straight up the mountain.
There's the rock house. Pretty cool.
Now this is a waterfall here.
This isn't even it.
Let's go. sometimes coming down a trail is worse than going up. This is a little steep.
This is when that gimbal would have come in handy.
We ended our journey with the drive through downtown Etowah, Tennessee. It's really crazy because the whole downtown is on one side of the road. Well, folks, that's going to do it for another fantastic 3 days in Southeast Tennessee. It was definitely worth the journey. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave us a message and tell us what you think. And remember to make every day a crazy good adventure. Thanks again, folks.